Hola everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Marianelli. So as you already read by today's title, today I'm going to be doing a comparison video comparing two different hair dryers. So first of all, I would like to say happy holidays to everyone, and if you live here in the US, I want to say happy Thanksgiving. I hope you guys had a wonderful Thanksgiving day. So in today's video, I'm super excited. We're going to be comparing the Dyson versus the Laifen. So as you guys can see, the Laifen hair dryer is pretty similar to the Dyson. If you didn't know, the Dyson runs you over $400, and that is after taxes, and also if you want to get different attachments for the Dyson. And as for the Laifen, it is half the price of the Dyson, which is about $200. If you guys follow me here on my YouTube channel, I've been having my Dyson now for 2 years. $400 is very expensive, and the reason why I got the Dyson is because first, I wanted it. I didn't need it. It's a hair dryer that you don't need. But now that I've been using it for about 2 years, I honestly love it. The reason why is because it dries my hair super fast. I have a lot of hair and it's very thick. So before, with my regular hair dryer, my hair would take about an hour to dry. An hour to dry your hair is a long time. So the Dyson really cut that time in half. So I can dry my hair now from 25 to 30 minutes, or even like 20 to 25 minutes. So if you guys have a lot of hair like I do, I would definitely recommend for you guys to get a fast drying hair dryer. If you guys don't have a lot of hair, or if you have thin hair and it doesn't take you over 30 minutes to dry your hair, then I would honestly feel like you don't need a Dyson hair dryer. So for today's video, I'm super excited to be partnering up with Laifen to bring you this comparison hair dryer video. So thank you so much, Laifen, for sponsoring today's video. So as you guys can see, they're pretty similar. So I want to get into some of the differences and some of the similarities that these two hair dryers have. So I got my Laifen in the color Ruby. This is a very pretty red. They actually have like 4 different colors on their website, and you guys can check them out. You can see they actually have 5 different colors, and that white and gold is beautiful. As you can also see, they have a 15 and 20% off their hair dryers. Please check out the description box below if they have any specials for Black Friday or Cyber Monday. The link to my dryer is going to be also in the description box below. So I love how compact this packaging is. I also love this beautiful ruby red. It's so pretty. So here is what you get in the box. So you get the hair dryer, you get 2 smoothing nozzles. One is wider than the other, and then you also get the diffuser head, the manual, and the quality certificate. All 3 attachments are magnetic, and they are very sturdy, also very easy to attach and detach from the hair dryer. So here are both hair dryers side by side, and here are some of the similarities that these two share. So as you can see, physically they both look alike. The Laifen is a little bit more compact than the Dyson. As you can see, the head of the Laifen is a little bit smaller. Also, the Laifen has a cap at the end of the chamber, as the Dyson does not. Both of the handles feel about the same size. Also, both of these have a built-in motor on the handle, which makes both of them very lightweight when using them. And then all 3 attachments are also very similar, and to me, I think they are exactly the same size. Another similarity that these two share are the placement of the filters. So both filters are placed at the bottom of the handle. The Dyson has a twist cap to open and to close. As for the Laifen, it contains a magnetic cap, just like the attachment, which I actually like better. And here are some differences from both. As you can see, the Laifen has only 2 buttons. As for the Dyson, it has 4. So the Laifen's first button is the power, which is also the airflow, which gives you 2 settings, low and high. The second button is your temperature control. As you can see, the LED circle around the head turns on blue, which indicates cold air. If pressed again, the LED light will turn orange. That indicates warm air. If pressed again, the LED will turn red, indicating hot air. And a super cool feature about the Laifen is that if you press and hold the button for 2 seconds, it will go into hot and cold circulation mode. This will give you both 2 seconds of hot and cold air. This is such a cool feature for those who like to switch on and off from hot and cold when drying their curls. So the Dyson gives you four. One is your power button, the other is your airflow control, and the other is your temperature control. The one at the bottom is a cold shot, which to me is unnecessary because all you can do is turn off your heat and then you have cold air. And personally, I have never used this button. So here are how both of these sound when on. So to me, they both sound pretty low on the low mode. And on high mode, I definitely think that the Laifen is quieter than the Dyson. The Laifen is powerful and fast drying, running at 110,000 RPM. The motor with powerful airflow at 22 meters per second, drying hair 50% faster. And according to the Dyson website, the Dyson also runs at 110,000 RPM. The Laifen also has high density negative ions at 200 million per cm3. Negative ions to smooth hair, reduce frizz, and restore shine. And for the cords, they physically look alike, but the difference is in their length. The Laifen gives you 5.9 feet and the Dyson gives you 9 feet. One thing I do appreciate from the Laifen is this cord holder, which makes it really easy to store away without having the cord all over the place, which the Dyson does not give you. And sometimes it's the small details that count. The Laifen also gives you long lifetime, up to 1,000 hours. That's equivalent to 16 years of usage if used 10 minutes a day. So I already styled my curls and I used all familiar products because I want to give this hairdryer a fair shot. So I don't want to use products that I don't really know and that might cause frizz, and I'm not going to be able to give you guys a fair review. So today's products I used to style my curls is the Briojo Avocado Kiwi Mega Moisture 3-in-1 leave-in, and then I followed with my favorite drugstore cream, which is the Cantu Avocado Hydrating Curl Cream. And then of course my LOVE Stronghold Gel. Alrighty, so I am super intrigued to see how this Laifen hairdryer is gonna compare to my $400 Dyson. For the purpose of this video, I'm not gonna be flipping my hair around or anything. So what I'm gonna do, I just want to test out how fast my hair is gonna dry. So I'm just gonna basically hover diffuse and cut my curls this way. I'm not gonna flip my hair over. But yeah, so I'm gonna be using both of the hair dryers at the same time, and I'm just gonna compare both of them and see, you know, how they feel on my hand, the heat and everything. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and diffuse. So I am completely done drying my hair, and it is now 12:28. I forgot what time it was when I started, but I'll look back at the video and see. I think it was 12:08. I think, I'm not sure. So I'm done, like I said, drying my hair. My hair is completely dry. My roots are dry. Everything's dry. So I'm gonna go ahead and fluff out my curls, and then I'm gonna let you guys know my thoughts on the hair dryer. Alrighty, so I'm gonna give you my honest review, and honestly, I think this is a dupe. Like, it's a great dupe. It performs pretty much exactly the same as the Dyson, I honestly feel like when I was drying my hair, the Dyson definitely gets a lot hotter, so you can actually burn yourself. Usually when I have jewelry, like I'm always careful not to like get the Dyson too close to my skin or my jewelry because it gets hot and it hurts. So as you can see in the video, the Dyson, I have both of them on high speed and I had them on the high heat. And the Dyson always, you know, it's so hot that it hurts me. Like if I'm wearing a necklace, it hurts me. My necklace gets really hot and it burns my skin. Well, it doesn't burn it like that, but you know, it hurts. So with this one, I got it close to my skin and it took a little longer than the Dyson to actually like for me to feel that burn on my skin with my jewelry. So definitely I like that it doesn't get as hot. Sometimes this one can get really hot on the high heat setting, and like I said, it can burn you. It can even burn your scalp. It hurts. Like if I put it close to my scalp on high heat, like it hurts. Not with this one. It definitely is gentle, even though it still dried my hair at the same speed as the Dyson hair dryer. But I just feel a little more comfortable with this one. But I would definitely say that it pretty much performed exactly like the Dyson. I feel like my hair looks like it usually looks with the Dyson. There's no frizz on one side more than the other, so it's exactly the same like results to me. Like I feel like my hair looks exactly the same. You would never know that I used two different hair dryers. It was really fun drying my hair with two different hair dryers. It was actually very quick because I was just doing this. So it was very quick to dry my hair today. The only thing that I would say is that, what is the only thing that I would say about this that I don't like? So the only con about the Laifen, I would say it's the cord. If you want a super long cord, this one is only 5.9 feet long. So it is shorter than the Dyson. The Dyson gives you, I think, 8 feet of cord. So I actually really like also that it has an LED light and it indicates whether it's hot or cold. So after playing with both hair dryers, I did notice that the Laifen did get a little bit hotter than the Dyson, but it cooled down after 5 minutes. So I just wanted to point that out on my review. And the Dyson does give you that option if you guys want to use the middle heat or middle airflow. I honestly never use it. I always use the low or the high on both. So I like that the Laifen has pretty much only two, and that's all you really need. The Dyson has 4, which I feel like now that I see this one is a little unnecessary. And why? Because the Dyson gives you a cold shot that you're supposed to hold, which you don't need, which is really unnecessary to me because you can just turn off the heating setting on the Dyson and you have cold air. I actually like that this one is a little smaller, it's a little compact than the Dyson. The Dyson, as you guys can see, is a little wider. So this one definitely is travel friendly with the cord and the size of the head. It is compact, it's smaller than the Dyson, so I like that. And it's powerful like the Dyson, so it's really good. And yeah, you guys, I think we definitely have a really good dupe for the Dyson for half the price. This is definitely a really good buy. $200 is still a little expensive for, you know, some of us, but it cannot compare to $400. You're definitely saving a lot of money and you're gonna get basically the same results. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, let me know in the comments below, what do you guys think? What do you guys think about this dupe? Do you guys feel like you guys would purchase this instead of the Dyson? I would like to know, so please let me know in the comments below. I want to know, I want to see what your thoughts are. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and also that this video was helpful. I hope you guys have an amazing holiday season. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are back to see my next video. Bye everyone.